Hello everyone, welcome to eKids Academy. Today I am going to be teaching about the topic chemical reactions and equations, chemistry chapter 1, science CBSE. So in this chapter, we are going to see what are chemical reactions, how can we identify chemical reactions, types of chemical reactions, oxidation and reduction, effects of oxidation and reduction, corrosion, rancidity. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a change in which one or more substances or reactants reacts to form new substances with entirely different properties. How can we identify a chemical reaction? If there is a chemical reaction, we can observe a change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature, and there will be a formation of a precipitate. Now let's see different types of chemical reactions. Combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, oxidation reduction, also known as redox reaction. First reaction type of chemical reaction we are going to see is combination reaction. It is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a product is called a combination reaction. Now let's see an example of it. So if calcium oxide plus water, it gives calcium hydroxide plus heat. Now I request you all to take a look at this slide more carefully. Coming to the next type of reaction, it's decomposition reaction. It is a reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more products is called decomposition reaction. For example, first is the example of thermal decomposition. Calcium carbonate, if we pass heat through it, we get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Second is an example of electrolysis. If we pass electric current through water, we get hydrogen plus oxygen. Third is the example of photolysis or photochemical decomposition. So here silver chloride due to sunlight decomposes into silver plus chlorine. So coming to the next type of chemical reaction, it's exothermic and endothermic reaction. Gets in the chapter the most easiest type of chemical reaction to remember is exothermic and endothermic reaction. The reactions which are accompanied by the evolution of heat are called exothermic reactions. Simply we can tell in this type of reactions heat is released. For example, we can take methane plus oxygen. It gives out carbon dioxide plus water plus heat. This is also known as the combustion reaction. The reactions which occurred by the absorption of heat or energy either in the form of electricity or light are called endothermic reaction. For example, mercuric oxide plus heat gives us mercury plus oxygen. Coming to the next type of reaction, it's displacement and double displacement reaction. When a more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound, it's called displacement reaction. For example, if we take zinc metal plus copper sulfate, it is zinc sulfate solution plus copper metal. The reaction in which two different ions or group of atoms in the reactant molecules are displaced by each other is called double displacement reaction. For example, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride gives us barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Coming to the next type of reaction, it's reduction reaction, or it's also known as redox reaction. It's a common name. The process in which oxygen is removed from a substance. For example, we can take potassium chloride equals potassium chlorate plus oxygen. I'm repeating the example again. It's potassium chlorate equals potassium chloride plus oxygen. Coming to the next type of reaction, it's oxidation reaction. The process in which oxygen is added to a substance is known as oxidation reaction. Here we can see that, for example, copper plus oxygen gives us copper oxide. Coming to the next type of reaction, it's redox reaction. Those reactions in which oxidization and reduction takes place simultaneously are called redox reaction. For example, copper oxide plus hydrogen, through heat we get copper plus water. So this is an example of redox reaction. So now let's discuss about corrosion, the phenomenon due to which open surface of the metals are slowly eaten by the reaction air, water and chemicals present in the atmosphere is called corrosion. This is a very important topic in this chapter. Many times there were many questions asked based on this topic. So I request you all to please pay more attention to this. Now let's see what are the effects of corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, etc. Corrosion is a wasteful process in most of the cases. Now let's discuss about rancidity, process of slow oxidization of oil and fat present in food materials resulting in the change of smell and taste in them. Methods to prevent rancidity are keeping food materials in airtight containers, refrigerating of cooked food at low temperatures, adding antioxidants, packing of food items in packets and filling the packet with nitrogen, for example, chips packet. So that's all for this lecture. I thank you all for listening to me. As an additional topic, I'd like to tell about how corrosion can be prevented. Generally, corrosion can be prevented by painting these metal objects, and there are 2-3 methods that I would like to tell. So, corrosion can be prevented by using non-corrosive metals such as stainless steel or aluminium. We should always make sure that metal surface stays clean and dry. We can use drying agents, or we can use a coating or a barrier product such as grease, oil paint or carbon fiber coating. That's all for today. Thank you, and if you like my lecture, please don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.